kept on working. What a life. Lightning started flashing, thunder started crashing. You guys are much too kind.
Hey, thanks for the sympathy clapping. Sympathy applause. We appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Almost as good as the scattered applause.
Yeah.
Which we prefer. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for coming out to the Mike and Cy show. I know it's not much, but you know, we're doing the best we can. We've had a few requests, but we're going to keep playing anyway. So y'all bear with us.